Who doesn't love a spotless cooking space? Yet many people put off cleaning because they think it takes too much effort. In this video, we're going to prove the opposite and take you through the process with our cleaning app. Your combi-steamer will gleam like new again in no time. Let's start with heavy soiling such as grease stains and burnt food residue. Select the Intensive Cleaning program. This requires the V-ZUG SteamerCleaner, which has been specially developed for stainless steel appliances. Before starting the cleaning process, make sure that your appliance has cooled down and is empty. Then use a damp cloth to wipe any larger food residues that are easy to remove from the cooking space. You can remove the shelf guides for better access to the side walls. To do so, turn the knurled nuts on the front of the shelf guides anti-clockwise. Then pull the insertion guides forward at a slight angle to remove them. You can either place the shelf guides on the floor of the cooking space or clean them separately in the sink. Then tap OK and the cleaning process begins. The appliance now begins to use steam to soften and remove the soiling. Once the steam cleaning has finished, the appliance instructs you to spray the cooking space with V-ZUG SteamerCleaner. When you've done this, close the door and tap OK to continue. In the next 15 minutes, the SteamerCleaner dissolves tough stains and returns the stainless steel to its usual shine. Afterwards, you can easily wipe any soiling and water residue from the cooking space with a cloth or sponge. The door can be removed to make it easier to get into the corners. If you don't know how to do this, you'll find a step-by-step instruction in another how-to video. To finish, another steam cleaning process ensures that any remaining cleaner residue is removed. Then wipe out the cooking space once more, reinsert the shelf guides, and don't forget to tighten the knurled nuts. Now open the door to the airing position and press OK. The appliance now dries automatically and looks as good as new again. There is also a cleaning program for light soiling. To perform this, simply select Steam Cleaning in the app. Before starting this cleaning program, check that your appliance has cooled down and is empty. The appliance uses steam to actively loosen light soiling. No additional cleaning agents are required. After steam cleaning, you can simply wipe the cooking space clean with a cloth to remove any residue. Then open the door slightly and tap OK. The cooking space is dried out and your appliance is ready to use again in no time. With our managed cleaning programs, the combi-steamer practically cleans itself. If only cleaning could always be this easy.